Find both the maximum value and the minimum value of this particular expression. So f of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 for x in the interval of 0 to 3. Now, the very first step to find the maximum and minimum absolute, we need to differentiate it, find the or take the endpoints as well of the interval. Considering all the points, you identify the maximum and minimum. Very simple steps, but yeah, it is going to take some time over here. So we need to find f of x, f prime of x. So we need to differentiate f of x with respect to x. So f prime of x would be 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24 minus 48. Next step would be zeros of f prime of x. For that we need to factorize. So first step is to factorize. Factorizing this actually, or this can be taken as the next step, to be honest. So this we can consider later. So this would be your second step. So let's factorize this. So for that, I think it's better to take 12 common. So we have x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4, right? Yes. And then we have 12 times of x square is common in the first two terms. So x minus 2 is left out. Plus 2 is common, x minus 2 is left out, closing the brackets. And we have 12 times of x square plus 2 into x minus 2. Now, we have the zeros of f prime of x. So we have f prime of x to equated to 0, right? And so basically 12 times of x square plus 2 into x minus 2 should be equal to 0. The only place which this becomes 0 is where x minus 2 is 0. Because this is a constant, this is a positive term. Square will always give a positive number. Plus 2 is also a positive number. So this expression will give a positive number. And so only this should be equated to 0. And so x is equal to 2 is the only point that we are concerned with. So next step is listing the points that we have to consider. Points under consideration involves your extreme points. So in this case it is 0 and 3, along with that 2. So finding f of a, where your a comes from this set of values, right? That's it. So f of 0 we have to figure it out. Then we have to figure out f of 2 and f of 3. So this is a simple straightforward calculation that I'm not going to do. So this is 0 is quite simple. This is 48 minus 48, sorry. F of 2 and all of this values, I'll find it with the graph. So we have the same expression, as you can see, you can verify that. Okay, this is 2. So the answer is minus 39. So minus 39. Oh, sorry, 0 is not minus 48, my bad. That is derivative. This is plus 25. 0 is plus 25. So I got to understand it when I looked at the graph, because this is the lowest point, right? Clearly, this is the lowest point. This is 25, and the other extreme, it is 16. So that you guys can calculate yourself. So this is your output. So clearly, the conclusion is what? So we have to figure out the maximum and minimum value, right? So maximum value of f of x is equal to 25 at x is equal to 0 and minimum value of f of x is equal to minus 39 at x is equal to 2. Correct? You can see that from the graph itself. It's very clear. So that would be your answer.